Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make artichoke dip full guide. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F, drain and chop artichokes, and mix with cream cheese, Parmesan, mayo, garlic, and lemon juice. Stir until smooth, transfer to a baking dish, top with extra cheese, bake about 20 minutes until bubbly and golden, then cool slightly and serve warm with crackers or bread. Enjoy sharing this creamy crowd pleaser at parties. Let's go over ingredients and simple swaps. Use canned or fresh artichokes, 8 ounces cream cheese softened, 1 cup grated Parmesan, 1 cup shredded mozzarella, 1/2 cup mayo, 2 cloves garlic minced, and a squeeze of lemon. For lighter versions, swap Greek yogurt for mayo or use reduced fat cheeses, and taste as you go to balance salt and acidity for a perfect, creamy texture. Serve with warm pita or bread. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes. Also check the description for the product seen here, a handy reading device to enjoy recipes on the go. Books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a great companion for kitchen timers and cookbooks, and find the link and other deals in the description. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. I'll walk through technique and timing for best texture. Thoroughly drain artichokes to avoid watery dip, beat cream cheese until smooth before folding in other ingredients, and use a shallow baking dish for even browning. Broil for 1 to 2 minutes at the end for a golden top, or skip baking and serve chilled as a cold dip when time is short. Practice once or twice, and you'll nail the balance between creamy and tangy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.